Hey! I am Sandy Wissinger. I am a visual artist with Art Mama Moves. It's so nice to see you again. It is show 71. I am beginning a new series and I thought I would tell you about it. My new series includes artifacts, objects, anything used in the craft that becomes something through which to channel energy. Like a candle, a crystal ball, a crystal, and pretty much anything that has a pentagram on it. Objects like these have grown on me and become very important and special. It's not always about the things that you buy that help you craft spells. A lot of times what you have in your house is perfectly fine. Witchcraft is just fun, and connecting to the ancients is probably the most important thing about going with the symbolism of the pagans. I identify as a Wiccan. I've always been connected to Wicca ever since I was 12, but more in a traditional Chinese medicine context and an Ayurveda context. I didn't really know that witchcraft was real until much later. I grew up Catholic and I didn't have a very strict upbringing, but definitely more narrow-minded mindset. This art is about creating the atmosphere of the witchy space, which is very important, and I'm very happy that a lot of young women, especially today, are a lot more quote-unquote woke than I would say people were when I was their age. Growing up, I see a lot of young witches on YouTube and I meet them, and I'm very pleased with how the world is advancing. I wanted to pay a tribute to that and paint still lifes of those spaces from which witches work.